In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a MoneyGram account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device and go to MoneyGram.com. Make sure you're visiting the official website so you can create your account securely and avoid any confusion with unofficial pages. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look around and find the sign up button. This is usually placed in a visible area of the page, and clicking it will take you to the registration form. After you click sign up, you'll be asked to begin entering your account details. Start by typing in your primary email address. Be sure to use an email account that you actively check, since it may be used for account-related notifications, verification, and future communication. Next, choose a mobile password. When creating your password, it's a good idea to make it strong and memorable. Try to use a mix of characters that will help keep your account secure while still being something you can remember easily. Once that's done, move on to the mobile number field and enter your phone number. This step is required because the account uses two-factor security, which adds an extra layer of protection. In practical terms, this means the service can use your mobile number to help confirm your identity when needed. Make sure the number you enter is current and accessible, since you may need it later for verification or account security checks. After entering your email, password, and mobile number, continue to the profile section. Here, fill in your full name exactly as you want it associated with the account. It's important to enter your information carefully and accurately so your profile is set up correctly from the start. Take a quick moment to review everything you've typed before moving forward. Checking for small mistakes now, like a typo in your email address or phone number, can save you time later. When everything looks correct, click Create Account to finish the setup process. At that point, your registration will be submitted and your new account should be created. That's all it takes to get started. If you're following along, just go step by step, double check your details, and you should be ready to use your MoneyGram account without any issues.